How's it going, Martys? It's your main Marty E-Man here. Today, we are here. We are queer. No. No. What's the sketch? Is Abbott and Costello, the Payphone Sketch. Last one I did was turning 7 into 28. Yeah, turning 7 into 28. So, now we have another sketch. I watched a few other ones with my family. We were dying laughing because, oh god, it's hilarious. But now we have the Payphone Sketch. So let's go.
Hey, Lou, look up the Fields Employment Agency. We've got to get you a job.
I'll get a job.
Here's 40 cents. And don't forget, you owe me 40 cents.
Now I owe you 40 cents.
Now, don't forget.
We're all forgetting. I owe him 40 cents. Oh, Fields Employment Agency. Operator.
Wrong number.
What?
Ask her nothing. Just his operator. What's the matter with him? He got it back. Operator, would you please give me Alexander 4444?
The line's busy.
How dare you laugh on my birthday? Operator, let me have long distance, please. Sydney, Australia. Yes. Hello, Sydney. Let me have Mr. Smith's Kangaroo Farm. Yes, please. Hello, Mr. Smith. How's the Kangaroo Farm? Fine, fine. Thank you. Hey, how's everything? The whole place is jumping. The place is jumping. Kangaroo Farm. That was a funny one.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Drop the nickel like that. Hello, operator. Would you please let me have Alexander 4444?
Line is busy.
I don't like this person. Isn't this the same guy?
Hello, operator. Let me have long distance. Hello, long distance. I want to talk to the Consolidated Coffee Company in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Hello, Joe. How's the coffee business? Just a grind, eh? Goodbye. Operator, if you don't mind, would you please give me Alexander 4444?
What number, please?
Alexander 4444. It's only 2 blocks down here. Fields Employment Agency. You're getting Europe and everything for everybody else. This is a local call. 2 blocks from here. Alexander 4444.
Line's busy.
Line's busy. Line's busy. There's more people in this joint using the phone.
Long distance? Oh, yes, I want a person-to-person call to Signor Graziani in Milano, Italy. Thank you. Oh, Signor Graziani, come sta? Oh, I'm so glad to hear you. Oh, yes, this is Nitla. Remember your pupil? Yes, I went to the American teacher you sent me to. Oh, he's wonderful, prezioso. Yes, listen to this. Liviamo, liviamo nei lieti calici della bellezza.
If I ever still had payphones, I would probably be treated this way. Still, he's jamming. Oh, one more time. One more time, buddy.
I was just getting the numbers put for me.
Do a different voice.
Operator, would you please give me Alexander 4444, please?
What number, please?
Alexander 4444.
Number, please.
It's only 2 blocks away from here.
Just walk at this point.
Sorry, line's busy.
Long distance. I would like to talk to Chambersburg, PA. Hello, Joe? No. No. What? No.
Operator, may I have Alexander 4444, sorry, line's busy. May I please have Alexander 4444?
What number do you wish?
Alexander 4444!
What number?
Alexander 44s!
Oh, Alexander 16.
Look, lady, you don't add them up. These 4s are individual, separate, away from each other.
Oh, you want to talk to your mother?
I don't want to speak to my mother. I want to speak to Fields Employment Agency. Will you please give me Alexander 4444?
A little louder, please.
4444!
A little louder, please.
If I speak any louder, I will have to call him up. The guy will hear me. Alexander 4444!
A little louder, please.
How can a line be busy for me and everybody else gets the phone number in this apartment house? Every time I want to use the phone, it's always busy. Huh? Who? Me? I'm as dry as can be. Where's the Abbott and Costello apartment? Abbott and Costello's apartment? That door right over there. Operator! Operator!
Yeah. How did you get it?
I must have plugged in Niagara Falls.
I'm done. What is this? Vintage Shark Tank? 2 tenths for 5. I've seen that one. I think I'm just gonna. Is this the $20 one? Who's on first? That's a. Oh god, that was like the best one. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I got homework to do. I got reading stuff. I am defeated. But anyways, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Put in the comment section below any other videos you want me to react to. Till next time, Martys. Later.